How much time will you use up today being uncomfortable with your situation and lack of confidence? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use logic to help win over confidence. Hi, I'm Bella O'Hara from Feel Great to Be Productive, and I'm a motivational coach. I help people to feel more positive, more motivated and more confident quickly. Think about this. How much time are you spending getting stressed about a situation that you're lacking confidence in today? How long will that situation actually take? Maybe 15 minutes of your life, half an hour of your life, an hour, 2 hours. Maybe it's a 2-hour presentation and you're lacking confidence and you're feeling absolute fear. Well, let's break that down. Bear with me here. There are 60 seconds in every minute. Every hour has 60 minutes in it. Every day has 24 hours in it. Every week has 7 days in it. Every month has 4 weeks in it. Every year has 52 weeks in it. Out of the big scheme of things, it's that much of your life that you're actually stressing about. Break it down into minutes and then think through to the other side of it when it's done. It's a very small fraction of your life that you're getting totally and utterly stressed about. So if you're enjoying these videos, you can also follow me on other social media platforms like Facebook or LinkedIn or Instagram. But if you like these videos, just give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And my next video is all about having no control whatsoever. Let's see you next week.